G'day guys, and welcome back to another video. Sam from Big Red Adventures, and on this adventure, Ben's driven down from Brisbane to the central coast of New South Wales to surprise Mum for her birthday. So we're going to make the most of it and get away for a couple of nights of camping, drinking beers, big campfires, and just to catch up. At one of our old favourites in the Watagan State Forest. So far.
Oh yeah, it feels like it's been redone or something.
Yeah, it fully does.
It's actually way smoother than I remember.
Well, I think the section down there is the rough section though. Yeah.
It's definitely left though, I remember it now.
Yeah,
left this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ugh. Might go around that one. How good does it look?
Oh, it's actually looking pretty pristine.
It looks nice. We're just going to need to find somewhere to set up the trailer. The new OCAM rooftop tent. Where are we?
Howdy ho.
Wow, that sun is bright.
Just setting up.
Just setting up.
First ever setup.
That is pretty cool.
Trying to figure it out.
Trying to figure it out.
Got muddy pants on, it's a bad idea.
Nothing a beer can't fix. Quick little wood run.
Yep.
And then we can just relax.
Relax and set up the fire.
With a big fire.
Oh yeah, this paddy. I think this is 2-stroke mixed with paddy. It's an emphasis on the think. It's, yeah. Oh, not on the back of the car. Come on, Sam. We have a decent amount of wood, but it's supposed to be, what's it supposed to be tonight, Ray?
2 degrees, so let's get offensive.
2 degrees, so that's how much we've got at the moment. Yeah, Henry thinks we need more, so I think we need more also.
Especially with this chainsaw.
Yeah, this Homelight $90 bloody chainsaw from Bunnings is doing the job. It's doing the job. I could get a couple of those pieces and we'll put it under it.
Yeah, obviously, yeah, two more decent sized logs, and then we can really have that winter fire that we need.
Yeah, we just want that winter fire where, you know, you're 1 to 2 meters away from the fire and it's warm. It's too warm.
You know, you need to push the chairs back kind of warm.
Yeah, that's what we're searching. So another, maybe three more logs.
If we find 3, I wouldn't say no.
Yeah. Alright, we'll keep on pushing on.
Hey Henry, how you doing? You enjoying this wood collect?
Is that guy cuts it?
There's a cheney going.
Oh, that's a good question.
Is it hot?
Yeah. Oh, no.
What, you did so good.
Yeah, we did good. I think. Pretty biased, but it looks bloody good. Wow.
Oh, look at that rooftop there.
Oh, that is a
Second hand, but that trailer.
Woo! We've done good. Alright, time to chuck some mince in.
That's got no taste left.
Oh, you remember when it used to come with like a bit of what's it going? Paper towel?
Yeah, it's my new fire glove.
Where'd you get it from?
I don't know. It's nice though, huh?
It is.
Does the job?
It's different.
I think I need a fire glove too. Is there a face glove?
Yeah. big ones. Good.
And there's a John.
Just pretend.
We're just going to catch up, have a few beers, enjoy the fire, and oh yeah, how good's this? Got some S hooks from Bunnings, just your standard S hook. Hanging the chopping board, the billy, a pot, and a pan.
I'm gonna go 3 per cup.
3 per cup?
Yeah.
What's the name that you've come up with for this cocktail?
I haven't come up with a name.
Also, we still need to come up with a name.
It is. It's like a perfume. It's a liqueur.
It does look like a perfume.
It's gorgeous.
Where'd you get it from?
BW.
Sorry. Got it from the bottle shop.
And it's a free pour shot because you know what you're doing.
Hopefully.
I do. It might be a little bit too much though.
Nah, I'd rather
Never
too
too
much
much.
than too little.
I actually think it was 2 under, so no, I'm joking. Start with Sprite. Oh my, this is a good shot.
Oh, that looks amazing.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy camping.
That's actually really nice.
It's really nice though. Whoa.
I reckon even letting it cook for a minute would be nice too.
Yeah.
Like getting that.
Letting the
flavors.
It's really good.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's beautiful.
I can't taste it.
I'll definitely smash that. That's really
I could have
nice.
like 10.
Good job.
Dangerous.
Good job.
That sounds so nice. Eh?
Like a 3-month snooze kind of.
Don't know if the camera can pick that up. Landslip ahead, no free road. Hopefully that's just like an old sign they forgot to take down.
Also, it'll be pretty easy to miss that sign and just not see it all together.
Yeah, that is a tiny sign.
This is a good lookout, bud.
This one's really nice. What's this one for?
Hunter, I think.
Hunter Lookout in the Watagan National Park.
But yeah, no, it's a good one.
It's a goer.
And it has a toilet, which we basically all need to use.
And it has a fire pit, so you can cook up some lunch if you wanted to.
After checking out a couple of tracks and lookouts, we decided to grab some more wood on the way back to camp. Getting ready to cook up a bush stew.
I don't know if I want tea or Jamo.
Oh, well, if you,
No.
yeah, I'll go up there. Yeah, boxes are good. They were on special for $16 for the 4-pack.
Oh, that's pretty
which is-
good.
Yeah,
That's pretty cheap.
can't go past.
What do you think?
A bit camera shy.
He's like, I can see myself. And I look good, he says.
It is actually.
Cracking a beer, mate.
Yeah, I don't know if anyone's ever used Great Northern for this before.
Hey, this could be the secret ingredient.
Could be. I reckon that's pretty much
Frothing.
frothing. Man, that lid's cooked.
That's the dirt.
Got the stew on, fire's on. Ben and Mona setting up, and Ree's gonna cook some baby food.
Yeah, come have a look at the this little duvalac. Something that people really don't see use it these days anymore. It's like a grandparent's sort of
Little
thing.
steamer. We also love the S hooks. I love the S hooks. We're gonna send the drone up soon. Have Beautiful sunset.
That's okay.
Oh, I wish there was like some. I wish it wasn't so. Oh yeah.
So we're making dark and stormies?
Oh yeah. It actually does look like a lemon.
Yeah. Oh, did you hear the sound of that? A little bit more.
That is 2 shots, I'm going to say, as an unofficial bartender.
We got the official one.
Mine
here.
can't
That's probably
get-
like a shot and a half.
Want to take it easy, not that?
I want to know that I ate tonight.
I'll have the long bit. And we've got some Bundy. Something, but not Bundy.
Yeah, not the bad Bundy.
It's the gingerbeer.com. Okay, alright guys, there you go.
Cheers.
Are you in, Sam?
Yep, cheers, cheers, cheers.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers, 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 cheers.
Alright.
Good morning. It's a pretty cold morning this morning. Made myself a cup of tea. Just walking down to the lookout because the valley looks like it's full of mist. I've brought the drone bag with me and I might send the drone up this morning before anyone else is awake. Didn't even chuck boots on. Idiot. Oh my God. That is stunning. Well, that wraps up another trip. Thanks so much for watching and hope you enjoyed. We'll be sure to see you next time when we travel to the mid-north coast on Ben's trip back to Brisbane. See you then.